Stefan over here with eXp Realty. I have been a licensed agent for over 9 years, and I am licensed both in the state of Texas and in California. I know there's a lot of people who feel like it's not an achievable goal to buy a house in California, whether it be in Los Angeles, San Diego, or San Francisco. It almost seems unachievable. Well, I have great news for anybody who's ever had any doubts about their capability to be able to buy a home in California. The California Housing Finance Agency just announced an incredible program called the California Dream for All. This program is a shared equity loan where they will offer you 20% of the purchase price to go towards your down payments and your closing cost. So it makes your goal a lot more achievable if you don't have 20% saved to go towards that. So really cool key points I want to point out about this loan. Here are some benefits. There's no down payment required. There's no private mortgage insurance, which PMI, it's called PMI is what we call it in the industry. That's impressive. So you're literally bringing no money to the table in order to close your house or your condo. And there's also a lower monthly payment compared to a traditional, conventional or FHA loan. So another impressive thing that you should know about this loan is that you do not have to pay back the 20% until you transfer your title or until you decide to sell your house or your property. So let's say, for example, that you let's say you buy this house, this year for $500,000. And then 3 years from now, you go ahead and sell it for $800,000. That 20% that you borrowed will have to be paid back to the California Housing Finance Agency. And then also there will be another 20% off of $100,000 worth of appreciation. So just keep that in mind. However, if you aren't able to buy a house because you don't feel like you don't have enough down payment, this is your solution. And I know a lot of y'all might be like, well, it's kind of scary buying a home. I don't know if I should do it. Let me tell you, don't waste time on this, because here's the deal. If you live in California and you live in if you live in a city like Los Angeles, San Diego, or San Francisco, I guarantee that you're probably at least paying $2,000 a month in rent. So you times that by 12, that's $24,000 a year that you're paying a landlord and filling up someone else's pocket. With this program, you could go ahead and start paying yourself, putting that money into your home equity and basically create a savings account within your home. It's an incredible program. It's not always guaranteed that houses are going to go up in value, but Los Angeles and other markets in California have a pretty good track record of appreciation. So if we're looking at the past, success leaves clues, and we can see that normally most homes in the state of California are appreciating and not depreciating. And regardless, instead of paying a landlord, you're paying your own mortgage for a house that you will have pride of ownership in. Now, here are a few qualifications to keep in mind. So you have to be a first-time home buyer, or you haven't owned a home within the past 3 years. You must have a minimum credit score of 680 and a maximum debt-to-income ratio of 45%. Unless credit is 700 plus, then that would be 50%. It needs to be a single family home or a condo, no multifamily. So it can't be a duplex or a triplex or, anything above that. The income cannot exceed the county income limit. So I will go ahead and, if you're interested in this program, I will send you more information about the income limit. And also the purchase price for houses vary from different counties. So I can send you more information if you're interested in that. And also something else to keep in mind is there is a 2% cost of the loan amount, plus typically closing costs like escrow, title, appraisal, prepaid fees for property tax, insurance, and interest. So it's a great program. I would love to share more of it with you. I want to give a huge shout out to Erica at the Money Store. I have her information attached to this video. She's fantastic. She told me all about this program right away as soon as it came out. So huge shout out to Erica. And if you are interested in buying or investing in your first home, I would feel more than honored to help you out as your real estate agent and your real estate professional and give you as many tools to help you be successful in buying and investing in your first home. Thank y'all so much. Have an excellent weekend, and I look forward to hearing from y'all. Feel free to leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Thanks.